Hey guys, it's Rick at Elijah Tooling. Hey, for all you mechanical and manufacturing engineers out there, I want to talk to you about dowel pins. Exciting subject, eh? 2 minutes, all right? Okay, today we want to talk about our retractable dowel pin. And the reality is we talk about this thing in a lot of our videos, but I haven't talked about it specifically. So first of all, one thing I want you to know is that it works with the zip bushing, so we can screw it in and out. Of course, the zip bushing is used for shoulder screws, dowels, screws. So you can see I screwed it in and out of the zip bushing. And that's one of the type holes in this table over here. But we've got the dowel, and it goes in the zip bushing too, right? So dowel, dowel. So what's the point? Why do we want to use this versus this? So I'm gonna come over here on the table, and I can think of a couple really good reasons to do this. One is that the Zert, we call it a Zert, retractable dowel pin, you can adjust the height of it to exactly what you want. If you've got a dowel, it's a fixed length. So unless you got the right length, so you've gone all over the shop looking for your dowel pin, and this is now what you got. So let's just use this block for an example. You know, we're gonna load this block. We could do it like that. That's probably not the right way to do it. But if we manage it by this way, we bring it down, we kind of find it, and then inevitably what happens is with a long pin like that, it gets bound up. It's easy for a pin to bind, and then you can't get it out of there. Can't get the part off. So, if we want to use the Zert, that's a little bit different, because now all we got to do, slide our plate over, which by the way is another advantage of this product. It's not sticking up. Slide our plate over, pull the dowel up. Oh, look at that, located. Now admittedly we just located one hole, but you're going to locate two. So what we've got is a precisely made dowel pin that has a thread on the bottom of it. And this allows you to move the pin up and down easily. So why buy this? Let's go back to that again. So the cost between these two isn't that great, but this one is significantly easier to use. Easier to manage, always in the plate. So that's another thing that's really cool about it, is because it can be flush mounted into the plate, we can just leave it in there. We don't have to go searching around for it. And then lastly, depending on your situation, you may be using vacuum. So we've got an O-ring around the outside to hold a vacuum. So next time you're thinking about dowel pins, consider this one. All right, see you next time, guys.